Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the sharpness on your TCL 27G64. So first, what we want to do is we want to click on the white button right here to open up the settings. Now go to menu and here select the display and here scroll down to sharpness. Now we can change the sharpness up to 10. We can also lower it to make the screen look more dimmer, but I always use the sharpness on either 6 or 7, and that's basically it. So it's totally up to your preference. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.